Kübekháza. Hallo, wie geht's?
Hey, I'm Frederik Cornelius. Join me on an exciting adventure through Hungary.
Welcome to Kübekháza, a small village in Hungary, very close to the Serbian and Romanian border. It is southeast of Szeged, and there's around 1,500 inhabitants. It's a very cute little picturesque village, and I thought we should take a look. So join in. Kübekhausen here. You have the Romanian border here with the Baba Vecchia or Beta, and you also have the Serbian here with Rabi. So you have three countries in just very close, and you have Serdek and Szeged here, so it's pretty central. This could be in like North Germanic world, it could be in Denmark, it could be in Sweden, or even North Germany. It's very Scandinavian inspired, I think. As you can see, everything here is pretty much German inspired, and that was because Frederik Kübekháza, he came here and he made a little village to make some tobacco plantations and stuff, and therefore this village is pretty much inspired by German architecture and everything. It's very unique. Kübekháza. Hallo, wie geht's? Kübekháza was built that there was one big main road and then smaller roads going out, so it's a pretty basic construction of the city, not anything particular. But from this way to this way, Szeged being that way, and Romania being that way. One of the nice things about Kübekháza, that they only have 1,500 inhabitants, is that everybody knows each other, and you have small local shops and everything. And when we came here, we were greeted by everyone. It was like in another world. So it's it reminds me of from where I'm from. You also have various sports like volleyball over there. We also saw a croquet field where you could play croquet, and there are different activities out here, so I think it's for everyone. The church of Kübekháza was built around 1840-ish, and it's pretty unique. A yellow church here. I don't know anything about churches, honestly, but anyway. I want to play croquet now. Croquet. Oh, it's a difficult word to say. Croquet.
Har du nogensinde spillet croquet?
I've never played croquet in my entire life, but now I really want to. It looks interesting, and you have a croquet club here. It's amazing. I don't know what it is. Sorry. This is the Saz Éves évforduló. It's the 100-year day memorial for the first revolution in 1848. I would love to play here, so if you are listening, Polkameister or Kübekháza band, I would like to play here. Sen is vagyok, and it's a great little stage. I would like to play here someday. Can we arrange that? Kübekháza really has everything. It's amazing. I mean, look at this populous village. You have a családi park, a family park and picnic. You have a croquet club. You have memorials. You have a music hall, a music scene pavilion. Walking around here in Kübekháza, you can see that both the writings and the letters, it's both Hungarian and German. For example, here with the bejaardet and Eingang. So it's just this perfect symbolization of the Hungarian-German heritage mixed together. Kübekháza. For shopping, you can go to Coop, ABC. But if you want something authentic Hungarian, you also have a weekly piac, a market here, Markt, Kleiner Marktpark, where you can get fresh produce from all around Kübekháza and Hungary. So I would recommend that. But here you can also get some decent quality food. If you have children or anything, or if you're grown up without any education, there is a public school and there's also a kindergarten here in Kübekháza. So many possibilities. At the same time, you know, it's really still this countryside vibe, which is so unique and amazing because it's like 15 kilometers from Szeged-ish, and you can still have this kind of feeling and atmosphere. It's just amazing. Just a place for me, actually. If you're smoking hot, there's also a national tobacco shop for you. In 2018, Kübekháza was called the Village of the Year, with a prize called Das Dorf des Jahres in German, which is, yeah, Village of the Year. Pretty impressive for this old cow. Welcome to the Kübecker Manufaktura. It's, I think, the only restaurant here in Kübekháza, and of course we're gonna try it and experience what they can offer. Here in Kübecker Manufaktura, you have a wide selection of both Hungarian and German specialties. For example, you can get Ring mit Wurst and kleine Mädchen, Kischlein. That's nice. So yeah, Apfelkroketten. You can stay in Hungary and eat German food. That's amazing. You can also get pasta and pizza and everything you want. So pretty interesting. Alles gut. So of course we have to try some food here. This is a Kübekházi hamburger with yeah, it's pretty good. It's with tykötös, which is an egg and beef and everything and cheese. Looks so amazing. Let's try it. It's like a Serbian pork beef. Tastes pretty good. It's the only restaurant in Kübekháza, and it's pretty darn good. The prices are okay. It's, I mean, it's not so expensive. It's like 5-6 euros for a burger. So of this quality, I recommend it. Anyway, this was Kübekháza. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel because we're gonna cover all of Hungary, like these videos. And leave a like and comment where we should go next. It really helps a lot. Thanks for watching, share this video with your friends, and see you very soon. Darling, if I